So as we previously learned, we have the equation y, which is our dependent variable, equals a, which is our slope, or what changes, x, which is our independent variable, plus b, which is our constant, or the thing that doesn't change. For a shop at the Beach Hotel, MEX pays a fixed amount of $20,000 per month. Okay, so because it says fixed amount, that's a key word right here, of $20,000 per month. That means that this $20,000 is in fact our B. That won't change, that is fixed. Plus 15% of its total monthly revenue. Okay, this will change depending on how much they make per month. So 15% is our A, and how much their monthly revenue is our X. Set up a linear model that relates the total monthly rental cost, C, to the total monthly revenue, R. So instead of writing X, we're going to write R in the blue spot and C in the black spot. So we have C equals, what changes is 15% multiplied by R plus 20,000. So you see how this sets up into an equation. We are not actually solving a problem yet. We're just setting up the equations so that we can get used to seeing them. Let's go ahead and try another one. The monthly income of salesmen is calculated in the form y equals 0.03x plus 5,000, where x is the monthly sales in dirhams and y is the monthly income in dirhams. If the salesman makes a sales of 20,000, find his income. So if he makes sales of 20,000, that's going to be placed in our x. So we're going to actually put this in. Y equals 0.03 times 20,000 plus 5,000. So we'll get out our calculator and look at what that equals. So 0.03 times 20,000 plus 5,000. That gives me y equals 5,600 dirhams. Okay, let's look at the next part. If the salesman wants to earn 8,000 in a month, find the sales. So now, wants to earn 8,000. That's going to be our black. And we need to find the sales. So we need to find the independent variable. So, in order to solve this, we are going to set up the equation 8,000 equals 0.03 times x, we don't know what x is, plus 5,000. In order to solve this, we need to start by moving the 5,000 over. So we start by taking 8,000, and when we move the positive 5,000 over, it becomes negative, so minus 5,000 gives me 3,000. So 3,000 equals 0.03 times x. To undo this, we need to divide by our slope, 0.03. Divide by the rate of change. So 3,000 divided by, and it just says answer divided by, that's okay, 0.03 equals our independent variable. So x equals 100,000 dirhams. Okay, so that was a little bit more difficult. Let's try another one just to make sure that we understand it. The total monthly rental cost is calculated from C equals 0.15R plus 20,000. That's something we figured out a little earlier ago. R is the monthly revenue in dirhams. C is the monthly rental cost in dirhams. If MEX's revenue, Okay, our revenue is our independent variable. For the month is $30,000. Find the monthly cost. Okay, C equals 0.15 times 30,000 plus 20,000. So we take our calculator, 0.15 times 30,000 plus 20,000. And we find that C is 24,500 dirhams. Okay, let's try the next problem. If the store pays a rent of 50,000 in a month, that's our dependent variable. Find the total monthly revenue. Okay, so now we're going to set it up. 50,000 equals 0.15 times our independent variable plus our constant, our initial cost, 20,000. To solve this, we're going to move the 20,000 over. So we get 50,000 minus 20,000, and we get that that's 30,000. And 30,000 equals 0.15 times my x. In order to solve for x, we need to divide by 0.15. So I'm going to take the answer I just got and divide by 0.15, and I get that my independent variable is 200,000 dirhams. So the answer for the total monthly revenue is 200,000. And that's the last example for this video.